Smooth curves can give your product poster a modern and elegant flow while making the composition feel more natural. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Start with a clean background, then open the Elements panel and search for curved lines, waves, arches, rounded shapes, and flowing graphics. Choose one or two large curved elements and place them behind the main product area to create a smooth visual path. Now upload your product image and position it where the curves naturally guide attention toward it. Next, add a bold product headline, a short description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean, modern fonts.